I use the HUE camera every single lesson because it makes my tasks and what I want the kids to do more accessible for all of the learners.
I'm using the HUE to show close-up detail of soldering components onto a PCB board. They just wouldn't be able to do that if they gathered around a workbench.
We'd have to crowd all the kids around where they can mess about, and then you can question them where they're sat, and makes practicals and demos so much more effective.
I love to show students work so that they're not just watching me do it, they're actually involved.
My students email me if they're at home and they're stuck on a GC question. It's quite difficult to answer that question over email. I've got the HUE HD Pro out, recorded a video of me doing the question, and then send it to the student.
They are incredibly portable should we need to. We're just lucky that we invested in them sufficiently to not need to move them around the room, and the fact that they're in every classroom here, it just means that teachers can, with the click of a button, get whatever they want up on the screens.
Cost is always really important for education. We talk about best value, and having a 3-year warranty is really helpful.
The HUE camera app is pretty simple, and it just takes seconds to plug it in, open the program and roll with it.
Because we don't have whiteboards anymore, I can be drawing and it's live, and actually that's the best way to learn, is from someone who's actually doing something in front of you. I also use the photo function on it as well, so that I can photo things and add them into my teaching slides.
Calculator skills, which are so important now with the new GCSE, as you need to show them live what buttons to press. That cannot be done with a PowerPoint. It has to be done via Visualiser.
In terms of marking and feedback, it's revolutionary, because you can give that live feedback by what we call show call, grabbing a student's work with their permission, putting it under that visualiser. It's certainly the most efficient method of instruction that I've come across.
I'm regularly using this to showcase pupil work. It's also quite a good tool to use to show that I make mistakes as well, showing the reality of like pressure in an exam.
I use my Visualiser every single lesson of every single day. It's always in my planning. It just works better for the students.
It actually reduces the extraneous workload of models and worksheets that you might not actually end up using.
We've used the HUE cameras with Google Meets for meetings. There's a webcam because we've got microphones built into them, and you can just point them at yourself. We've also used it in Teams meetings.
We do CPD on it. If we're unable to get together to save time, it means we can have a quick meeting online and everyone can see each other.
There's no point going half-hearted with it, that if it's going to be part of your teacher's practice, there needs to be one in every classroom. Once it becomes part of your teaching toolkit, it will be the main part of that toolkit, and you'll supercharge learning as a result.